Hello, welcome to Lesson 1.1, HTML Bouncing Ball, gregthevibecoder.com. Start by typing the URL into the address bar of your web browser, www.gregthevibecoder.com. The page will load. You are now beginning your vibe coding journey. There are 4 steps to every lesson: copy, paste, run, and tweak. There are 6 subjects for a total of 18 lessons. Highlighting the difference between traditional coding and vibe coding. Click Start Lesson 1 to begin. Welcome to Lesson 1.1 HTML Bouncing Ball. Your only job is to copy this prompt and paste it into an AI chatbot. Each lesson clearly outlines the steps needed to complete the project, how to fix things when it doesn't work on the first try, what your tweak is, and an extra credit prompt are included. Let's get started. Click the Copy Prompt button. Paste into your AI chatbot. Your AI chatbot will produce the resulting HTML code for the bouncing ball. Some AI chatbots, depending on their settings and plan, will produce a file for download or even a simulator window where the code will run. But let's copy and paste this code into Notepad to produce a standalone file we can run in your browser. Open Notepad, paste in the code. Be sure to save as an HTML instead of text file. I just dragged the file onto a web browser to open it, and the bouncing ball opened and ran. The next step is to tweak the code. This lesson we are going to increase the size of the bouncing ball. This part of the lesson gets you more involved in the process. We are changing the radius of the ball from 15 to 50. After saving your change, when you run the code again, notice how much bigger the ball is. Congratulations, you have tweaked the code. Time for extra credit. Copy the prompt into your AI chatbot. It should produce new code that will cause the ball to change colors. The purpose of this part of the exercise is to learn how to improve your results by continuously asking the AI chatbot. You can even ask it what improvements it might make. There is a section on reflection at the end. In this lesson, it asks you to try and find the part of the HTML code that controls the ball's speed. Let's get ready for lesson 1.2, adding paddle controls.